Ambassador, I am representative of Dr. Mohammad Shoaib Chaudhary Mohammad Sohail. Those are my patient, call me Dr. Sohail. Ya Alif Lam Nahma, Yallo Shafi, Yallo Mafi, Yallo Kafi. Now Anar Abdul Mohammad Sohail Shafi, Anar Abdul Mohammad Sohail Mafi, Anar Abdul Sohail Mohammad Sohail Kafi. Anar Abdul Mohammad Sohail Shafi Al-Amrar, Anar Abdul Sohail Mohammad Sohail Shafi Al-Amrar. Ya Shafi Al-Amrar Yallo, Ya Shafi Al-Amrar Yallo. Now my friend supporter science class. What is science? Science is anything, any matter, any event, any problem, any occurrence can solve by logic, document, database, mathematical calculation with provement, with experiment. That is science. What is we discussed, elaborated about what is the branch of science, two branch of science, creator science, creation science. Creator science discussed, elaborated about creator real everything. Creation science discussed, elaborated creation science discussed, elaborated about creation everything. What is the fundamental law of creator? Creator never create, never destroy. By creator all creation created. By creator all creation can change. By creator all creation can create. By creator all creation can destroy. That is the fundamental law of creator. Creator is one and only, constantly constant. What is the fundamental law of creation? Creation is created by creator, can change, can create, can control, can destroy by creator. What is the fundamental law of creation? Creation is created by creator, can change, can create, can control, can destroy by creator. Now, now by fundamental law of creator, we know that creator anything can do everything. Can create all creation by kun, can change all creation by change, can create all creation by create, can destroy all creation by kun. And creation everything cannot do anything without permission of creator, without law of creator. What I do, I give lecture. What is the reason? Still now I alive. Creator give me chance, not die me. That is the reason. That is the reason I give again thanks for one and only Creator ALLAHU. Still now I am alive. Now my friend and supporter, in case of by all creation, Creator is one and only proof. Any creation can create my DNA, soil DNA, soil life, soil cells, soil cellular component, soil DNA, soil nucleotide, any creation, soil codon, soil thinking, soil smallness thinking, any creation. Not need thinking, make made that. By that provement, by that creation like me, MSCOO7 Mohammad Sohail, in creation by all are creation proof. Only you, one and only creator, ALLAHU can do that, not any creation. Now by in math field, already we proven given. If you know that creator is one and only, if 0 minus 0 remains 0, the 0 means nothingness and 0 minus 0 remain. If creator not present, 0 minus 0, nothingness, nothing is happen. Now creation 0 minus creation 0. If creation is not present, creation nothingness come. Now 1 minus 0 equal to 1. If creator is one and only, 1 minus 0 equal to 1. And creation nothingness, and creation come from nothingness. And now if creator more than 1, what happen? Now 2 minus 0 equal to 2. In case of creator 1 plus, now 1 plus 1. Now what happen? 1 plus 1. Now 1 plus 1, the in creation pi, there is a if they have equal power, equally dividation. If their power is imbalanced 60-40, then 60-40 dividation. In sun, moon, earth, solar panel, universe, multiverse, creator, house, creation, pi. If creator more than one, if if creator 3, then 1 3 minus 0 equal to 3, 1 plus 1 plus 1. Then if they have equal power, then 3 dividation in sun, moon, earth, solar panel. For example, how much creator, that much dividation. And the fundamental law of creation also change. Fundamental law of creator also change. But fundamental law of creator not change. Fundamental law of creation not change. And by creation like creation space and time, and creation like energy physics, fundamental law of creation space and time, and creation like space and time, creation like energy, creation like atom, creation like prokaryotic cell like virus, bacteria, eukaryotic like cell like tree, eukaryotic cell like animal like human, gene, angel, no sapiens, show sapiens, my female gender, MSA, and creator living creation, all are creation. And creator is one and only. In math field, that is the provement. If creator more than one, what happen? How much creator? That much dividation. In math solve, you know that. For example, creator one and only. Now 1 minus, if creator more than one, what happen? 1 minus, if now for example 2, 1 minus 1 equal power. Now 0. If 2, 3, 3 minus 3 minus, you know that 1 minus, if 2 minus 1 equal to 0, 3 minus 1 equal to 2, and 3 minus 1 equal to 2, if 4 minus 1 equal to 3. Now there is imbalance. You know that in if creator, how much creator, that much division, and also imbalance in math field. That is the reason creator is one and only in math field. You know that simple math. If creator more than one, what happen? One creator, if nauzubillah min jalik, 2 minus 0 equal to 2. Then 2 equal to 1 plus 1. And how much creator? Dot 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 dot. Then 3 minus 0 equal to 3, 1 plus 1 plus. How much creator? That much dividation in sun, moon, earth, solar panel, universe, creator house, creation pi. Also fundamental law of creator disturb, fundamental law of creation disturb. Also creation like space and time, energy, creation like energy, creation like fundamental law of energy, fundamental law of atom, fundamental law of prokaryotic cell like virus, bacteria, eukaryotic cell like T, eukaryotic cell like animal, and animal all will be changed. But that is not change. The fundamental law of physics, chemistry, same. Still now, that is the sign of one and only creator. That is the document evidence of one and only creator. Creator is one and only. Everywhere, the same law. Follow that. In case of exception is not example. Sometimes exception should have the explanation. But on generally everywhere same law. In case of space and time, each and every moment, if creator more than one, the space and time increase, decrease, also time, also disturbance. That is not over. Each and from when creator created all creation, from that point still now, the time is same. Not a single moment is missing. That is the reason by space and time, and creation like space and time, creation like energy, creation like atom, creation like prokaryotic cell like virus, bacteria, eukaryotic cell like tree, eukaryotic cell like animal like human, gene, angel, no sapiens, fairy sapiens, my female gender, MSA, my female gender, MSA, and creator loving creation. In creation pi, all are creation except one and only creator. One and only creator except all are creation. In creation pi except one and only creator, all are creation proof. Now you in math field you know that 1 multiply 1, you found 1. 1 divided by 1, you found 1 divided by 1, what is you found? 0. 1 divided by 1, not 2, then 1. 1 multiplied by 1, 1. 1 divided by 1, 1. You see that calculator. Now creator is one and only by math field proof. Not only math but also every branch of creation, creator is one and only proof. If more than one creator, what happened? Already mathematical calculation is solved the math. Already see the policy. And not only if you imagine the more than one creator, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now means like how much creator, that much dividation, that much law change. In fundamental law of creator also disturb, fundamental law of creation also disturb, also fundamental law of creation and creation like space and time also destroy every moment, and time also disturb. and and fundamental law of physics, fundamental law of chemistry, fundamental law of botany, fundamental law of zoology also disturb. Now we discuss elaborated about one by one. Next class. If the everywhere fundamental law of physics, fundamental law of creator, fundamental law of creation, fundamental law of space and time, creation like space and time, fundamental law of physics, chemistry, botany, zoology is say. That is the sign and document evidence is creator is one and only. Also me, creation like me. I also believe one and only creator. If creator more than one, already I have divided, I will be destroyed. But I am not destroyed. The document evidence I am also documented. I believe one and only creator and follow the rules regulation of one and only creator. As a Muslim I say one and only creator name Yallah. Creator other name like God, Ishwar, Bhagavan, Mahaprabhu, Khoda, Mahbudillah. As a Muslim I say Allah. La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. And I give sajda to one and only creator Allah. Gain respect, honor on table. And creator magnifying leg. In creator magnifying leg. Subhanallah, Subhanallah, Subhanallah. That is the document evidence. I gain respect, honor for one and only creator. Give sajda. In net and clean place, not dust place, keep sajda. Thank you very much, my friend. Supporter. Today is enough from science class.